Ever wished you could create engaging puzzle books, coloring books, or word search books for kids and adults alike? Imagine relaxing in a bath with a puzzle, keeping kids entertained on a long car ride, or boosting your language skills with word searches. Now, all of this is possible with Ninja Books. Did you know Amazon pays out billions annually to creators, and you can earn a share without writing a single word? Introducing Book Ninja, the AI-powered tool that generates entire mid-content books, like coloring books and puzzles, ready to sell on Amazon in just 4 minutes. Experience a process with no writing, no designing, and no marketing. Simply click, upload, and start collecting passive royalty income. Amazon attracts the buyers, and you get to collect the royalties. Unlock your creative potential with the right mastery tool. In today's digital age, a great idea needs the right tool to become a reality. Mastery Tools provides powerful, user-friendly software for creators, hobbyists, and entrepreneurs to transform their visions into tangible results. Whether you aim to write a story, design a product, launch a service, or build an online business, Mastery Tools simplifies the process, making it faster and more enjoyable. Each tool is selected to enhance your craft, boost creativity, and elevate your projects, regardless of your experience level. From writing and design to marketing and business building, Mastery Tools equips you to grow your skills and monetize your ideas. Ninja Books, a powerful mastery tool, empowers you to create puzzle books, coloring books, and activity books to sell online, even if you've never created one before. Design crossword puzzles, word searches, coloring pages, and more with just a few clicks. Ninja Books handles the complex formatting, layout, and structure. Publish on Amazon KDP, Etsy, or other marketplaces with high-quality content that stands out. Build a diverse catalog of products generating passive income. Ninja Books is ideal for hobbyists, teachers, parents, designers, and anyone looking to profit from their creativity. Create unique books readers will love. Ready to bring your ideas to life and sell your own books online? Ninja Books is the simple, fast, and fun mastery tool to make it happen. Don't wait to create your first puzzle or coloring book. Click the link and start using Ninja Books today. Your ideas are ready to become reality.